Hello and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we will learn how to add a custom RTMP destination to your Switchboard account. Let's begin. Press the Add Destination button. Select New Destination from the menu. Choose RTMP from the list of destinations. A window will open and you'll see two fields. The top field is labeled RTMP and the bottom field is labeled Stream Key. You'll go back and forth as you copy and paste the stream information from the destination into Switchboard. Every destination is a little bit different, and some may refer to the top field as server URL, stream URL, or RTMP URL. Pay attention and make sure that you are correctly copying and pasting the information into the proper fields. RTMP goes in the top field. Paste the stream key in the bottom field. Some destinations require authentication with a username and password. Click the Use Authentication button in the top right to enable it. The username and password fields will open, which will allow you to provide the appropriate credentials. For the purposes of this video, we'll toggle it off. Press Next and then Finish. We have added a custom RTMP destination to the group. Now we'll need to rename the destination so that it can easily be identified for later. Press the Info button, type in a new name, and press OK. Let's repeat the process and add one more custom RTMP destination. Press the Add Destination button, select New Destination, choose RTMP from the list, copy-paste the RTMP information into the corresponding fields, press Next, Finish. Now it's time to rename the destination. Press the Info button, type in a new name, and press OK. Great job! We have successfully added a custom RTMP destination to the destination group. Thanks for watching and happy multi-streaming!